Hey guys, it's Shay Man Crypto. So Bitcoin is doing really well on a very, very good rebound. Okay, look, the past couple days it was dropping. I mean, look, after it hit 112,000, I mean, there was a correction was due. Obviously, sell-offs, liquidations, profit taking, market sentiment news, all that stuff. But I mean, it seems like we're still on course, right? Still on course overall. In a macro sense, if you're looking at Bitcoin in terms of long term, it's a long term evaluation down the road, So, I mean, I think usually Bitcoin in the summer doesn't really have any like major rallies or anything like that. So, I mean, look, it did test to a previous level of resistance at 1.100K and it bounced right off of that. Okay. And for the past couple of days, we were trading around 105 and then we got up to 108, right? Could we back, could we reach all time high? Could 112,000 be an level of resistance? Of course, right? Now, all that being said, every time Bitcoin dips and people want to compare to, I get it. You want to compare the past and everything, but this article from Cointelegraph saying that is Bitcoin rally to 150K possibly by end of year, and then it's like a bearish RSI versus similar to 2021 suggests Bitcoin could face a 50% plus correction towards 64,000. I mean, look, man, for me to see a dip like that, I mean that I mean the whales are gonna buy that up. Okay. Peter Brandt warns Bitcoin must reclaim its parabolic trend line sooner, risk ending its bull cycle before reaching 150K target. So this is like from this article is like from 3 days ago. Okay, so Bitcoin surged to a record when so sparked renewed hopes for 150K target in a year, but its swift correction below 105 is testing that bullish narrative. I mean, look, you have to test the lows. You have to test previous areas of resistance and it being support. Now, if Bitcoin does drop all the way to 64K, I mean, that's a gift for the whales, right? The whales will eat that up, okay? And trading volume would be massive, all right? And honestly, and if it ever did, based on this guy's article, or whatever it is, based on his charts and divergence and all this crap, sure. I mean, anything's possible in crypto, right? I mean, it can definitely drop down to 64K, but I don't see 64K. Like that'd be like to me, that's like something like a flash crash, and I don't see 64K Bitcoin staying there that long anyway. If that were to be an actual reality, right? And then I think if it even did drop down that low, that would spark a massive supply shock later on because I mean I think that's that level of Bitcoin would be eaten up by big players who want to add Bitcoin, especially companies and countries who want to add Bitcoin to the treasury slash balance sheet, right? So I mean, look, I'm not gonna get into the doom and gloom of this, but I think it is funny though that this is where we're at, right? We're gonna have these crazy price swing predictions, okay? But I mean, if you're staying the course, being patient, fortune long, I think we'll be okay. I'm okay with a $64,000 Bitcoin if it did. I mean, I mean, look, the Bitcoin was 40K. People were hoping to get down to 10K, 15K, right? When it was a 60K Bitcoin, oh, could we get a 15, 10K Bitcoin? I mean, it's the same stuff, right? I mean, a 50% correction. I mean, there has to be extreme market volatility. Not that we won't have it, but I mean, that's like a black swan event, in my opinion, for a 50% sharp correction, right? Absolutely crazy in my mind. But for the time being, Bitcoin seems like it's rebounding. It's bouncing off its previous level of resistance for support around 100K, 105K. That might be the area, and we'll retest 112K soon, or the previous all time or a recent all time high, right? So, anyways, guys, let me know what you think of the latest crypto. Shaman Crypto out.